For the Caddy, FRONTRUNNER only provides the rack mounted to the original roof rails. It doesn't look the best in my opinion, especially because mine are silver. So went for a custom solution. Got the universal Slimeline 2 rack with the universal tracks. The longest track FRONTRUNNER offers is 180 cm long, which means it's a bit too short for the original threads used for the roof rails. And I definitely don't want to drill holes in my roof for additional fastenings. So I cut the tracks to length and ended up with 4 tracks to mount my rack. Then mounted FRONTRUNNER's Featherlite tent and awning.